Hey everybody, this is Brandon from betterateverything.info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert property lines that I've downloaded from a city website, and then I'm going to show you how to use a Google image and georeference it using the align command to overlay underneath of those property lines. So let's get started. Here we go. I've got a new drawing, and I'm using the Better at Everything template. I'll show you how I did that real quick here. So I'm going to go New Drawing, and I've downloaded the Better at Everything template and saved it in my template directory, which is right there. So I'm going to open that. So here we go. That opens up, and I've got all my templates already set up. You can get this drawing template from my website. It also comes with the scale bar that's adjustable, so you can pick your scale and it transfers and scales the bar automatically, as well as a north arrow, reference block, and title block with attributes. Alright, so first we're going to start with the city property lines. So if you check my Firefox here, this is the city website for the city I grew up in, actually. And on it you can download all kinds of stuff. I've downloaded the property lines in DXF and then saved them as a DWG, which you simply do by saving as. Here we go. So we're back in AutoCAD. We're going to go to our external reference, and if you don't know how to use those, I did a video on that. You can check on my channel. It's how to use XREFs, or external references. To bring this menu here up, simply go to the Insert tab and click this arrow here. So over here, we're going to right click and click Attach Drawing. We're going to go to my base data folder, wherever you've saved your stuff. There we go. And the street was Strathcona. So we're inserting our property lines. We're going to insert at 0, 0 and no scaling. So now that they've been inserted, we're going to zoom, extents, and you can see them right there. That's a terrible color. So we're going to change the color to that's a reference. Sorry about that. We're going to change the color to, let's go with the yellow. There we go. It's a little easier to see. Okay, next we're going to go to Google, or Google Earth, I guess. And this one I've already done for us to save some time. But basically what you're going to do is we're going to do these houses here. So you're going to find the location that you're looking for in Google Earth. And this is just one way. There's a few ways, but with the free one you can do this pretty easily. You're going to place a point in either corner of the image you want, keeping it out of the way of where you want to show the image. Obviously you don't want these to show up in your drawing. My drawing's only going to be right here, so I put one over here, and you simply label it with the northing and easting. As you can see, it shows when you insert. So say you put the point over here, it shows your northing and your easting right here. Simply paste that into the name and then hit OK, and then you've got the 2 points with your northings and eastings already set. From here you can simply save as an image and save that somewhere on your computer. Now you've got an image with 2 reference points that we can georeference of your property. So we're going to go back to AutoCAD, and we're going to insert an image here. So attach image, and I've got it saved right here, Strathcona Drive. You can see my image on the right, and we're going to insert it at just wherever and hit enter to keep the scale at 1. I'm going to zoom extents real quick, and I know my image is somewhere over here. There it is there. Alright, so here's where we use the align command. Zoom right here. Okay, so to align this image, you're going to type in align, and it asks for an object. You're gonna select your object, which is the image, and hit enter. And now you're gonna select your first source point. So this is your source point, and it's the head of the pin. So you click right there, and now for destination, you're gonna type in that coordinate on the screen. So 687.278.57, comma 561.6904.82. You're going to hit enter. Now we're going to go to our second point, click the head of the pin, and you're going to quickly enter in the coordinates again, 687.452.83, comma 5617075.32, and you're done. And remember, it goes x coordinate then y coordinate, which would be easting and then northing. Hit enter, and we don't need a third point, so you're going to hit enter again, and when it asks you if you'd like to scale, you're going to say yes. This will rotate and scale the image so that it lines up on a UTM grid. You can do the same thing using degrees, minutes, and seconds. You're just going to have to convert to an XY grid. So I stick with UTM, which you can change in the options of Google Earth. So now that we've aligned our image, we can hit Z enter, E enter for zoom extents to see our work. Here you can see that the image is overlaid with the property line. And if you look closely here, you can see that everything lines up relatively well. Now, the problem with doing this off of Google Earth is that Google Earth isn't always correctly georeferenced, but it's pretty close, because if you can look at the main street here, it actually goes right in the center of the street property line. So it's a little off here or there, but the main drives will be right, and the property lines are actually pretty close. So there you go. That's my tutorial, and thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel here, and check out the website for more tips. It's betterateverything.info. Thanks for watching.